proper shutdown procedures for this unit. And I want to do one of two things. One, I want to show you what our recommendations are for you at the end of the day, being that you're going to be running this equipment again on the same job the following day. What I'm talking about is I don't recommend material or abrasive sitting down on this orifice sleeve overnight. What I would do is use the clean out feature again by shutting this and hitting your dead man and using that media clean out to make sure that that abrasive on the sleeve doesn't solidify. Overnight your abrasive in your vessel is going to be fine, but I recommend cleaning using the Thompson valve clean out port to make sure that that abrasive in there on that sleeve doesn't solidify. That being said, if you're at the end of your project, or if you're going to set this unit in storage for days or weeks on end, you need to get your you need to get your residual abrasive out of that vessel. When you're dealing with sodium bicarbonate, just a little bit of humidity will make that material stick together and clump up, and I recommend not leaving it in that vessel for longer durations. Really easy to do that. If you simply open this Thompson valve up, your blaster unit is under pressure. I'm currently set at 50 psi. You can turn this gate valve all the way in, and you can engage your nozzle, and at a relatively low pressure, 10-15 will do, but I'm currently at 50. You engage that nozzle and just push that abrasive out of that vessel until your vessel's empty. Use your vibrator a little bit just to make sure that any other abrasive that's sitting in there gets down to it. Hit your dead man until that abrasive is gone, emptying your vessel. If you're going to put this unit in storage for a long time, I recommend removing this 6x8 access port so you can reach in there with the vacuum cleaner and really clean that vessel. You don't want to leave any sodium bicarbonate in there for long durations. So at this point, you're ready to de-energize this unit. With this being an integrated unit, the first thing I want you to do is make sure that your ball valve that controls your air motor is off. You do not want to have that fan blade going by that air motor while you depressurize this unit. Ensure that your air to the radiator is off. Shut your inlet ball valve. Open your manual blowdown valve and de-energize this unit. At this point, this unit is safe. There is no more stored energy anywhere on that unit. But keep in mind, your feed line from your compressor is still under tremendous pressure. And if an operator will try to disengage that crowfoot with that hose under pressure, it could easily hurt someone. So at this point, you go back to your air source, which my associate's going to do, and he's going to turn the inlet valve to the feed hose off, and then I'm going to show you how to let the pressure off of that. Leave your blowdown valve open. Simply open at this stage, there is no more stored energy in that unit. You are now safe to remove your feed hose and remove your blast hose for either storage, transport, etc.